Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this SONY WF-XB700. The problem here is the charging case is not working. I have already replaced the battery of this ear case. You can see it is not charging. There should be red light coming here, glowing here, but it is not working. If I connect to the charger here, it starts working, but once if I remove the charger, the light will not come. The charging case is not working. The problem is the battery of this charging case. So I am going to show you how to replace the battery of this charging case, that is SONY WF-XB700. So as of now I am going to take these earbuds and I will keep this separately. So these are the earbuds here. We have to take apart this charging case. So I have taken out the sticker here as well already. So there are two screws here which we have to remove. So I am going to take that out. So the battery will be around of 350 mAh approximately or something like that. So I am taking these two screws out. Then simply what we have to do is, like, we have to open this charging case and we have to simply pry here like this. So without any marks, this will come out. You can see this is the battery here. I'm going to show you in the close up here. So this is the battery. You can see at the top it is written 300 mAh here, 3.7 volts, 300 mAh, that is 1.11 watt hour battery. So this battery is bad, I think. So I'm going to take this battery out. So further I'm going to slowly pry this battery from the case here. It is pasted here. So that's it, this battery has come out. Next is, like, we have to open the four screws here. So I'm going to keep this separately. These are the screws, showing you in the close-up. So this battery is connected to the motherboard of this charging case. So these four screws I have taken out. So this part will come out like this. Further it has been clipped here after removing the screw here. So now I am going to slowly pry this. You can see the clip is coming out. Like this. So this is the part which we have removed down. So you can see there are two wires here, plus and minus of the battery. So I am going to check the voltage of this battery here. So I have set the multimeter to 20 volt DC here and checking the voltage here. You can see there is no voltage, it is completely dead. Even if we charge, it is not taking the voltage. So I am going to replace this battery. So instead of this battery I am going to install this battery. This is the brand new battery of similar specification. You can see 3.7 volt, 350 mAh, but still it is of similar specification. So let me check the voltage of this battery. This is brand new battery actually here. So the voltage is, you can check out in the multimeter, 3.94. so the battery is perfect. So I am going to take out this battery. So while connecting we have to check the polarity here, otherwise the motherboard will be damaged. So just I am going to connect this plus with plus here and minus with minus here. Should not change the polarity. So that's it, this has been replaced. So after soldering this battery I am going to just put this clip back to its place. Like this we have to keep and press here. That's it. And this side. So the clip has been locked now perfectly. Now it's time to simply put the screws here. Then later we will paste it just by placing it in the housing. I am going to install the four screws here. Alright, it has been assembled now. Just we have to paste the battery and close the cover. Before that I am going to test whether the earbuds is getting charged or not. So this is right. I'm just going to keep it here. Yes, you can see the red light is coming. That means the earbuds are charging now. Case is perfectly working. I'm going to put this here as well. Yes, so both earbuds are charging and the voltage is less. We have to charge it. This indicator shows the battery voltage is less of the case, so we have to charge this. So no problem, this is charging, perfectly working, and I will show you the charging functionality of this case as well. So I'm going to insert the Type-C cable here so that I can show you the charging functionality of this charging functionality of this case. So this is the power bank. I'm just going to insert this. Once if I insert, the light will start glowing here. You can see now the light is glowing, red light. That means this ear case is charging. So the light is started. So the case is working perfectly after replacing the battery. So this is the step to replace the battery. Now I am going to just simply paste this battery here. So there is a proper gap for this battery. So like this we have to place it. So before placing it, I am going to use the glue here. So this is the glue I am going to use. Simply I am going to apply the glue here little bit. This is more than enough. Like this I am going to apply. This is more than enough. So now I am going to keep the battery here and I am going to press it like this. So this is enough. It will dry it. Now I am going to put the bottom case back to its place. Just by keeping like this, we have to press it. This is the lock. So done. We have to put the 2 screws back here. It's very easy to replace this particular model. So if you have any queries like this, please do message me so that I can replace it for you, or if you want, you can replace by yourself. So done. Now it is perfect. So if I open, it is ready. I'm just connecting the charger here. So it is charging now, and after taking this out, I'm going to put the buds here. You can see the red light is glowing here. So perfectly charging. So if you have any queries like this, if you want me to replace the battery of the earbuds of this SONY WF-XB700, I can replace the batteries of these earbuds and I can replace the battery of this case as well. If you want me to do this, please do message on the above WhatsApp number, and I am going to upload the video of this battery replacement for these earbuds. So I have so many videos already uploaded. You can just go through my AudioWiz360 channel. This is the channel. Just click and browse it. Check it out. I have uploaded lots of videos regarding this type of gadgets. If you want me to replace, the number is given. Please do message on the WhatsApp. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioWiz360 and hit that notification bell icon, and write comment in the comment section below. If you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.